And, I mean, when did you even have time to pick up a racket and smack a ball?
I started when I was young, Donna. My parents introduced the sport. My mom was my coach until I met Rick Macy, who became my coach. After that, I ended up making choices so that I could do all of that and knowing what my priorities were. So during the day, I was studying, and then in the evenings, I would be playing tennis, and then made it very simple because there was not much else I did. So life became very structured and disciplined, like you suggested.
I would have thought that there might have been a robot that kept you company. Certain time, they would be ding, 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 ding. Okay, now you can't eat, but you've got to go and you've got to do this, that, and the other. Because studying and being in medical school, being as disciplined as you have been, this was, in many respects, quite an accomplishment. But at the same time, you felt in many ways you were a failure. And that was relative to your personal life. My goodness, how many people feel exactly the same way?